United States President Donald Trump on Tuesday replaces Rex Tillerson with CIA Chief Mike Pompeo as State Secretary. Trump also appoints Gina Haspel, a career intelligence officer, to head the Central Intelligence Agency, the first woman tapped for the post. Trump tweets, quote, "Mike Pompeo, director of the CIA, will become our new Secretary of State. He will do a fantastic job. Thank you to Rex Tillerson for his service. Gina Haspel will become the new director of the CIA and the first woman so chosen. Congratulations to all." The reshuffle comes days after the announcement of a meeting between Trump and North Korean leader Kim Jong-un, whose date and details have yet to be determined. Trump praises Pompeo as the right person for the job at this critical juncture. He says, quote, "He will continue our program of restoring America's standing in the world, strengthening our alliances, confronting our adversaries, and seeking the denuclearization of the Korean Peninsula." Trump has scant words of praise for Tillerson, who was traveling in Africa when he made the snap decision last week to accept an invitation to meet Kim. He says, quote, "I want to thank Rex Tillerson for his service. A great deal has been accomplished over the last 14 months, and I wish him and his family well." Tillerson has repeatedly denied he had fallen out with Trump, despite a sensational report that he once dubbed the president a moron.